The attempted murder case against a 41-year-old farmer from Ermelo in Mpumalanga will be back in court this morning. Grobler allegedly ran over 3 children with his bakkie after accusing them of theft at his farm. One of the children is still receiving treatment in hospital after she was seriously injured. Our reporter, Mweli Masilela, is following that story for us. Mweli, good morning. What can we expect in court this morning?
Hugo, we are here today because of an incident that happened on the 15th of July at the Lilifontein farm, which is just 10 kilometers away from Ermelo, here where we are standing. It's alleged that 41-year-old Grobler ran over 3 children. They are all girls, and all of them were injured, but one of them was seriously injured. That is the 10-year-old who is currently in hospital. Well, today we're expecting heads of argument to get underway after the second appearance that was here in court just 2 days ago. And from the side of the defense representing Grobler, Hugo, we know that they're saying that it wasn't a deliberate act, it wasn't intentional, according to them. Through that affidavit that was deposed here in court, he is actually saying that those children just popped out of the maize fields, and that is when they were hit. But on the side of the parents as well as community members, they are saying that this was a deliberate act because they believe that these children were on the field to collect some leftovers of maize after harvesting was done at the farm, and then the farmer accused those children of theft. But let me speak to one of the community leaders. His name is Mpumalanga. We can see that already there are some community members and different political parties protesting outside court, calling for the court to deny the accused bail. If you can tell us, why exactly from your side do you believe that the accused shouldn't be granted bail?
We believe as community members and with the members of the families that the accused mustn't be given bail. But you know what, I cannot be surprised if the accused can be given bail today, stating from what has happened on Monday. Because on Monday, on the first appearance, his lawyer forced that the matter must be heard on Monday, whereas there were other cases that were scheduled under Schedule 5 that were postponed for Monday. So yeah, we see that the justice won't be happening here, but I won't be surprised if he can be given bail. I also appeal to the Minister of Justice and the NDPP to make sure that they come in and assist in this case, because on Monday the lawyer was forcing that the bail hearing must happen on Monday, and then we were told that we must come back on Wednesday. Whereas it's not fair, because other people under Schedule 5, they go for 7 days before their bail hearing happened. But on this guy, I don't know whether it's because of the race, his bail appearance happened on Wednesday, and then where we are on Friday, the very same week again, for the same guy. I don't know why he's so special. But we believe that he mustn't be given bail, by the way, pending the outcome of the case.
All right, thank you for talking to us, Hugo. That is Mpumalanga, who is one of the community members. What I can tell you is that already the street, Jan van Riebeeck, which is just in front of the police station, is already blocked from both ends. Police trying to ensure that there is peace as the 41-year-old farmer appears in court, because this is a case that has triggered some tension, especially at the farm where this incident happened. So we'll be listening to both sides in court, that is the defense as well as the state, because the state is actually saying that is against the accused being granted bail. But on the other side, the defense believes that their client should be granted bail because he doesn't have some pending cases, and he is prepared to hand over his passport in case he's granted bail, so that he will adhere to all those bail conditions, Hugo.
Well, clearly another situation where issues around race are taking center stage. And obviously there is peace and calm at the moment. Do you expect this situation to remain?
Yes, Hugo. Initially, when the accused appeared for the second time in court, in fact, we are told that during the first appearance, there were quite some farmers outside court coming in support of the farmer, as they believe that he he didn't do this thing intentionally, as it is alleged by the community members as well as the state in this case. So they believe that he deserves to be granted bail. But on the other side, the community members as well as different political parties, that is the ANC, as well as the economic freedom fighters, they believe that these incidents, they are happening quite a lot, especially in this part of the Mpumalanga province, which is the Kharsibande region, and they think that they are being failed by the justice system, because most of the time some of these people are arrested, those who are alleged to be abusing farm dwellers in different parts of this area. So, but at the end of the day, community members are not happy in the manner that these cases are handled, as you have heard. So initially, there were those fears that there will be tensions outside court, but seemingly it's only the community and different political parties so far. The farmers ended up not showing up as it was expected, Hugo.
Mweli, Masilela, thanks for your time. We'll keep tabs on that story as it unfolds.